Well, there goes the train I just got off of. And here's a panorama of the inbound side of the iconic Mosaic. There's the outbound side where I'm zooming in. Oh, sorry. And here we come to the elevator at Jefferson Station / Market East Station, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. There's the inbound and outbound Mosaic again. This is an Otis from 1984, and this is my 300th video. That doesn't light up.
Going up.
Let's go to S. Close it up. Judging by the indicator, this might be a Montgomery, but Dante Trainmaster says this is an Otis, so. I think up works, but back to P.
3 level. Going down.
That works. Close it up. Actually, C2. Let's get a cat view. It's a very nice elevator. Here we are.
Fourth level. Going down.
Close it up. And wind it back up at C.
Fourth level. Going up.
P works. But other than that, that's my count. I'm gonna send it up to S. And
Fourth level.
that's it.